Hello everyone, myself Udit Singh Solanki. In this video, I'm going to talk about pornography laws in India. Now, let's start. Now, I'm going to start with the introduction. Cyber pornography law in India, a brief overview of the issue and challenges. The presentation will discuss the legal framework and enforcement mechanism and the social cultural factor that affect the implementation of this law. So it is very important topic if you talk about the cyber pornography laws in India. Now move to the next slide. The legal framework. India has a complex legal framework that governs cyber pornography. The IT Act 2000, the IPC, and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offense POSCO Act 2012 are the main legislation that deal with cyber pornography. However, there are challenges in the implementation due to the lack of clarity in the definition and the overlapping provision. So, the legal framework in India is very uh, difficult to examine these issues of cyber pornography. Now, move to the next slide. Enforcement mechanism. The enforcement of cyber pornography laws in India is challenging due to the lack of technical expertise and resources. The government has established cyber crime cells and cyber crime investigation unit across the country to address cyber crime. But there is a need for more trained persons, advanced technology, international cooperation of effective combat and cyber pornography. These are the most important factors when we are talking about cyber laws in India. Now move to the next slide. Socio-cultural factor. The pornography is a sensitive issue in India due to the conservative social norms and the taboo surrounding sex. The social cultural factor play a significant role in shaping the attitude towards cyber pornography. The law of awareness and the stigma associated with the reporting cyber pornography also affected detection and prevention. Now move to the next slide. Recent development in cyber pornography laws. Recently, there has been a several development in the cyber pornography law in India. The Supreme Court of India issued several guidelines and direction to the government and the law enforcement agency to address cyber pornography. The government has also proposed amendment to the existing laws to strengthen the legal framework and enhance the enforcement mechanism. Now move to the next slide. With the conclusion of cyber pornography, cyber pornography is a complex issue in India that requires a multidisciplinary approach. The legal framework, enforcement mechanism, and the social cultural factor all need to be addressed to be effective combat cyber pornography. It is important to create awareness, provide technical expertise and resources, and promote international cooperation to make cyber space safer for all. So it is very sensitive topic in India because in the era of online, the laws should be strict and straight. Now with this, I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thanks.